In this presentation, we're going to look at the main types of pollinators in the UK. We will look at the different groups of pollinators and give examples of pollinator species. Insect pollinators in the UK are incredibly diverse. Honeybees are responsible for pollinating between 5 to 15% of the UK insect pollinated crops, so the remainder of the insect pollinated crops are pollinated by wild pollinators such as bumblebees, solitary bees, wasps, hoverflies, flies, butterflies, moths and beetles. Insect pollinators pollinate £690 million worth of crops annually in the UK. We'll look at one particular group, the beetles. Not as numerous as the 7,000 fly species, but beetles are the second largest orders of insects in the UK, with over 4,000 species. This includes the well-known group ladybirds. Beetles are a very diverse group and contribute to the breakdown of organic matter, in addition to being a potential predator and pollinator. About a quarter of the beetles that are found in the UK are pollinators. Beetles belong to the order Coleoptera, which means sheath-winged. This refers to the fact that they almost always have 4 wings, modified to form a protective hard case, called the elytra. This covers the hind wings if they have any used for flight. These hard wing cases meet in a straight line, making a T-shaped. True bugs, on the other hand, have their wings meet in an X or Y shape. Beetles have biting mouth parts with sharp mandibles. When you're trying to identify beetles, size and shape are important to look for to match the beetles to the particular families. You can look whether the body is round or straight-sided and whether it's narrow or wide, tapering or widest towards the rear. Looking at the wing cases, do they cover the whole abdomen or are there some segments that are exposed? And the antennae, how long are the antennae relative to the body and the palps? And whether those antennae are actually clubbed. Look at one particular beetle now, the thick-leaded flower beetle, as shown here on the left. This is a spectacular metallic green beetle. Only the male, seen here, has these characteristic thickened hind thighs. This species is common in gardens and grasslands. It is a pollinator of many open structured flowers such as cow parsley and bramble.